So, as you can see, I got the kayak on the roof. I got a bunch of rods, and we're just gonna go kayak fish in some canals. Found a spot, one of my good spots that I usually go to, that has mullet everywhere. Like, you could walk across the mullet, they're so thick. I'm just gonna do a little recap when I get there, show you what we're gonna be using, and let's just get on the water. Okay, at the spot I have a live bait rigged up, a lure, and then an extra rod in case I need it. And we're just gonna go see what we can do. I gotta get bait first, so if I don't get bait, we're gonna have a problem. So hopefully I get bait, and let's just get on with the video. I have this whole bank. Only problem is I gotta get mullet. If I don't get mullet, I'm screwed, so hopefully I get some bait. So peaceful and calm, holy crap. I could see something blowing up a mile away. Hopefully, this is gonna be a good trip. I have a good feeling about today. Took me a little bit, but got about 1.5 dozen, 2 dozen mullet. Perfect size for these fish in this canal. Hopefully, I want to get a tarpon. My main goal is a tarpon, but there's big reds in here and big snook as well. So I'll be happy one of those too. Let's just see what we can do. Sorry if you can hear the bubbling noise in the background. They're pretty noisy. You gotta do what you gotta do to keep the bait alive. Later on in the day, these tarpon may chew. Oh! Oh! He hasn't eaten it yet. Come on, eat it. Oh, he ate it then. I think he just clobbered it. Nope, he didn't. My mullet is still getting eaten alive. Holy crap. Oh. Did he eat it? Yeah, he ate it, he ate it, he ate it, he ate it. 1, 2, 3. Oh! No! He missed it. Oh, there's more. Hopefully more. There's so many tarpon I could choose from. I got some decent size ones here, but right around over here, there's some big ones. And they're just chewing away. Ooh, I just got absolutely clobbered. Does he have it? Yeah, no, he doesn't have it. He has it right now. I got something. What do I got here? Jeez Louise. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the size of this trout. No! No! Oh my, that was a gator. Freaking trout. Freaking trout that I just missed. And I mean a monster trout. Dang, I'm so mad right now. That was a really, really nice trout. Probably my biggest trout ever that I would have caught. But I didn't catch it, so I just gotta move on, I guess. Oh. Yeah, that thing just got slammed by my bait. Gonna let this thing freaking eat it, whatever it is. I believe it's a tarpon. Got it. I believe it's a tarpon. I could be wrong. It's right here. I don't think it's a catfish. Ooh. What is this thing? Oh, it's another big trout. Oh my god. 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 Oh my freaking god. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Get the frick out of there. Get the frick out of there. Oh. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Dude, where's my fish grips? Where's my fish grips? Come here, buddy. Oh my god. Where's my fish grips? Where's my fish grips? Here they are. Come here, you son of a gun. No, 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 no. No, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. He just got unhooked, barely. Come here. I got him. I freaking got him. Yes. Look at the size of that trout. Oh my god. What a gator. That's why they're called gator trout right there. Stud of a trout. 23 inches. This thing is a beefcake. A lot of these trout are going to be out everywhere around here soon. He's just a little bit early. Oh, I think another trout just ate my fish. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh my god. I don't know what just ate my fish. Does he have it? He has it. What is this now? Oh. Oh my god. Okay. It's a tarpon. What's this? Oh, no, 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 no. Don't you dare get me in there. I don't know how I'm gonna get this fish out. He's out here. I don't know how I'm gonna get this fish out. He may have just came off. Oh, he broke off. It. Oh my god. Idiot myself over here. Didn't, oh my god, manatee. Didn't buy more 30-pound line. My other rod has 40-pound line, so I gotta make do with what I got here. Ooh. He ate it. No, he didn't. They want it. Oh my god, I think he ate it then. There he is. Let's freaking go. Gonna push him out. Gonna do a little. If I angle it, if I reel him this way, like Lawson's got this from Lawson Lindsay. If I angle it this way and reel him in this way, he doesn't know that that's the mangroves. So he's gonna freak out. There we go. I'm happy with this. This is what I was after. Some good old poon. This isn't as big as the one as I hooked, but hey, I'll take it. I will happily take it. No, don't you dare freaking go over there, you clown. There we go, go out that way. He's right here. No, oh. Oh, nice little, good sized little tarpon. Oh, I guess he's not ready. Come here, buddy. And oh, he probably just got the camera all wet. Sorry, guys. This camera's wet. I apologize. He just soaked me. Got him. Look at that. Nice tarpon. Let's see how bad this. Oh, snap. He barely had this bait in his mouth. Another tarpon, baby. I don't know. Nice little 4 or 5 pound tarpon. You ready to go, buddy? There he goes. Sick. All right, I guess this is where I do my recaps now. It's kind of a nice area. I like it. Little recap of what I was using in this video. 3,000 size reel, 20 pound braid with a 30 pound fluorocarbon leader attached, and I had a 2-aught hook, and I had it on a loop knot. That's because I think, in my opinion, it gives the bait a little bit more action. Even though it's live bait, it lets it swim freely and does a little bit more than if it was straight tied onto the hook. Just my opinion, personal preference, doesn't matter. Rod foot is a rod. Oh my God, rod foot. The rod is a 7'6" medium to medium heavy action. It's my custom. It's one of the rods I always use for live bait inshore. Thinking about getting another custom, but that's later on. But that's the recap for you. Yeah. That's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Smash that like button, subscribe, comment, share this video, do whatever that good old YouTube jazz is that people tell you to do. Do all that for me. Just go ahead and go down there and like it, especially like it because I think it's a good video. Missed a good trout, caught a good trout, caught some tarpon, and I missed a good tarpon too. So these cold fronts are coming in. The tarpon may or may not be a little bit more harder to catch, but you gotta live with it. I'm gonna be switching over to like big old trout, big old reds, big old black drum, like giant old black drum. Just catch some absolute river monsters and fish the inlet more because I like fishing the inlet when it's cold. It's a personal preference of mine, doesn't really matter. There's always fish there, so we'll get some videos out there more. And I got some fun challenge videos on the way. I think you guys are gonna like it a lot. You got to stick tuned for that, or stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next episode of RAA.